Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for Windows 10 users that are on the Fall Creators Update. How do you change the default browser that you are using in Windows? So it's very easy in the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update. All you have to do is go into your settings. Once you're on the settings, you go into the apps section, and there on the left side you will see something called default apps. You click there. Once you're here, you simply move down up to web browser. Now your favorite browser needs to be installed when you do this. You click there. If it says Microsoft Edge or whatever browser, you click on it and you will see a list of your browsers that are installed. You simply click the one that you want to use and it's automatically the default. So that will mean every time you open a link, every time you open something from another app, it will open your default web browser. So once again, you click on the browser that is over there and you just choose whatever browser you want as a default. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy our little tips and tricks video.